Hey curl friends, I wanted to share with you one of my tricks, my beauty tricks that I do. I have not gone to the nail salon in lots of years. I actually just go to the store and I pick up a pack and I do my own nails. They last about 2 weeks and my nails still grow underneath, but I have brittle nails, so I always end up breaking them anyway. But I wanted to share with you how to do your nails at home in quarantine with kids right next to you who can still enjoy the comforts of your company. So this is what I always use. I always use the Kiss brand because the nails last the longest. They don't chip. I never have a problem with them. But these are my nails. They're pretty short. I mean, I'm a hairstylist, so I don't really like long nails, but they get really brittle. Even with supplements and vitamins, I just have naturally weak nails. Okay, so first things first, we open the pack. So this is what it comes with. It comes with this really good nail glue. It works perfectly. I have never had a problem with the nail glue. It also comes with a little nail file and a cuticle, one of the little cuticle tools to push back the skin. So you just want to make sure that the fit is not, that it covers both sides and that you can't see your natural nail on the edges, but it doesn't like go over it to where it looks ridiculous. You want it to look as natural as possible. But that's all I'm doing right now. It's just fitting. Let's see, 8, 1, size 1 usually fits. And I push back, as I'm fitting it, I kind of push back on the nail bed because it looks more natural that way. See? Second step is to file the nails. I'm going to use the blue side and I'm just going to gently file over it. So I do that and then I just kind of straighten out my nail, and that's gonna what this does is it helps the glue adhere to the nail and your own nail better, so it lasts so much longer when you do this. Now optional is to use the nail bed part to kind of push it back. Push your nail bed back some. If your nail bed won't budge, you can wet it to soften it a bit, to push it back a little. Never do it too much. If it hurts, then you're doing it wrong. So that's what you do. You just kind of wipe off the filing part. You don't have to wash your hands. And now you're ready for the glue. This is how it comes. You just pop it off. And it's this little twist that you take off. It used to have you used to have to cut it, and that would get a little messy, so I'm glad that they changed it. And you take it off, and there you go. You see the glue? See? You see it? A little bit came out. So now, the rules of the glue, okay? Let me be able to see you. The rules of the glue. You don't put too much. You put a thin layer covering the nail bed, and then you press and hold the nail for like 10 seconds until it adheres. It'll harden and it'll stick to it even better as time goes on. If you have any excess glue coming out the sides, and I'm going to demonstrate that, all you need is a paper towel and you just wipe it off, or washcloth, and you just wipe that side off before it dries and, you know, goes down on the skin. Let's do the glue. Do a little drop, just like that, and then I take the right size nail and kind of rub it around a little bit. And then you hold it. Make sure that it sits well. And then we wipe any excess. And that is your nail. That's it. And then you repeat the process 9 more times. That is how you do it. Let's see. Look at that before and after. Check that out. Check that out. Right? Magic. If you notice, like, there's little tips up here that have to get filed. So like, you literally just do that. And that's it. Nice. They really last 2 weeks, I swear. Now I'm gonna do the next side. Finished results. Not bad, right? Who needs a nail salon when you could do it yourself for like $8 and not have to tip? I mean, you could tip yourself with like a facial or something, but you know what I mean. For the excess, I save it. I put it back in the box. Can I have my nail file, please? Thank you. You save it, put it all back.
Eat it, Mommy, eat
and I'm not gonna eat a nail file. And you put it somewhere and put it up, so if you do accidentally hurt your nail or something, or in like 10 days to 2 weeks, like one of them starts to lose the glue, just like when you go to the nail salon, you can replace it. And that's what you can do during this quarantine time when you can't go and get, you know, your manicure and, you know, get all snazzy without having to do it all by yourself. But there's still ways to feel like that, you know. Thanks for watching, and from my house to yours, stay healthy.